Hello, and welcome back to the One-Handed Gardener. Yes, I was missing in action for a long time. As I told you the last time, is having a recording device. I was blessed by earthly angels with a phone to record. Pray with me for these nice people who have blessed me to do this recording on this channel and my other channel, Steps to Lead Podcast. So, because of that, you can see what happened with the planters and plants. Of course, the plants were eaten and they taste very good, but because I let it go, a forest has started, and the flowers were coming along nicely, but again the pests were eating the flowers all the time. I did not get the net that I wanted, but I found a solution. One of my old nightgowns is like a netty material, so I'm going to put that over these planters when it comes to night. During the day, I would take it off. So today is preparation day. I'm starting back my planting through the window. So I'm planting this time some herbs, some chives, sweet marjoram, and thyme. So come and get started with me. You could see a lot of grass and shrubs are in here. This is birds coming for the banana trees and just dropping whatever seed in their mouth or in their stool, deposit it in this planter. The other planter is clean, totally clean, but I think this is why it's by the banana tree that I had this problem. So I have my trusty tools and we are going to start digging and preparing this soil. And it's very hard, extremely hard. So if it's going to give me if it's going to be tough to get out these grass, because this type of grass, what we call it, like cuss grass, is very tough and hard. Look and see, it's moving the whole planter. This is very hard, and my left hand is weak already, being paralyzed years ago. So my hand is very weak, and because it does all the work, is getting weaker. So I might have to take my time and wet the earth. But I just wanted to take these out, most of it, before I wet it. At least I can get the rocks out and maybe the smaller grass. I will go and try to finish this planter and the small one, and we'll be back in a minute. So like I've been fighting this here for like 10 minutes. And yes, I didn't put any water in, but it won't really make any difference if I wet the ground or not. I just wanted you to see that this is so strong. It's a million roots. Look, that shows how it's moving the earth. So what I'm going to do is just break off these roots that is strong as rock and just dig it out piece by piece. I am so tired with just doing this preparation. This would have been finished if I had two hands, but you could still, I will still win this war because I'm not giving up. Don't, you might have lost one or two things that you need, but the one that is remaining can make up for what you have lost. So don't have any doubt that you can get it done. It might take a little more time, but you could get it done. Never give up. And I'm not giving up. The roots are breaking. Yay! Yay! Yep, this was easy. So this earth is still good. I have to wet it now and just prune it up. I'm not going to plant today. I'm just preparing and give the earth some time to catch back itself, because this was about 3 months that, yeah, about 3 months. And a lot have been happening. As you will see, this channel is not only about gardening. My husband and I have a project we're doing on this year, hopefully, and the first video was last week. And we are doing a renovation of our house that we have been trying for the past 5 years, and I hope that you have watched it. And because all these videos was on my Steps to Late podcast channel, I do not have the same views, and they were over 100 and everything. So if you can, please watch the playlist for the gardening and the renovation, and share with others, and subscribe, like, and comment, and encourage me pray for me and who wants to start their own gardening in their small places, join me. We could do this journey together, because then and you're going to see more um, gardening videos, because now I can start back and be consistent with it, and the videos of the house. So come, let us go, because when my house is finished, Yahweh willing, I'm still going to be planting in pots, because our space is very small. So I'm going to still plant in pots and everything, but I'm going to be designing the pots different. We are going to, my husband is going to build pots in the type of design that I want, and we're going to have a good time. So follow me as I make my windows lovely. I'm trying to prune this dry, then I'm going to wet it. This I can't remember what you call it. I can't remember the name it had, but I call it a pruning stick. It's only going to say a quarter of the way. That shows how hard it is. The small pot is a little easier, but yeah, I'm going to wet this and the other one. Sweating. This is good exercise for persons, especially who are in a wheelchair all the time, or have limited mobility. Yes, we have to find some ways to get the heart rate at a good pace, and some cardio or some exercise, even if it is mind exercise. I am sweating. It's sweating time, and it's going to take a lot of water. I have to wet this until water is coming from the bottom. So this will be for a time. I don't know if you can see that. How dry it was, so you can imagine how this one here is. This is the other planters. You see, these are clean, very clean. So it's just hard earth now. I have to prune up, and I will put a new fresh soil to treat this original earth, so that it's more full and it will look better. So, ta-da! We have wet the garden, one of the gardens, the plant pots, as much as I can, and work it as much as I can. I will do these as the same to the other one, the brown one, and the small for our pot, but at least are going, we're getting somewhere. So next time you will see we planting the herbs, the seeds, the herb seeds. So thank you for watching and following the one-handed gardener who is me, Russia. Thank you and see you next time.